OnlineFenceStore.com. Your online source for fencing, gates, and hardware. How to measure for a slope gate. Tools needed. Tape measure. Level. Marking paint. Use the paint to mark where your gate posts will be located. Your gate posts will be set 1/2 of an inch wider than the gate width. For example, a 48-inch wide gate will have the gate posts set at 48.5 inches inside to inside. Place one end of the level on the high side mark. Bring the level to plumb and measure the distance from the bottom of the level to the ground where the lower paint mark is located. This is your slope measurement. For gate posts that are already installed, repeat the process by placing the level on the inside of the higher post. Bring the level to plumb and measure the distance from the bottom of the level to the ground next to the lower post. If you do not have a long level, you can use a 2x4 with a small torpedo level to achieve the same result. Taking the time to measure a slope is important for a correctly installed gate. Thank you for visiting us, and we hope this video has been helpful.